This exhibit was me and my friend idea. Name of the exhibit Mesh Network Topology. Need of innovation. Mesh topology is the most used network topology. Each computer sends signals and relays the data from other computer networks. The dedicated link transmits from one node to another node and connect all the nodes. Material required: computer, CPU, keyboard, infrastructure, nodes, bridges and switches. Target group of people. Mesh network topology create multiple routes for information to travel among connected nodes. This approach increases the resilience of the network. Introduction. Mesh network topology is a unique and highly interconnected network design. In this configuration, all the devices within the network are linked together, forming a web-like structure. This particular arrangement offers several advantages, including enhanced network efficiency. Mesh topology is most useful for a complex system due to its ability to provide multiple paths for the data transmission. We will drill into its core principle, advantages, drawbacks, and its practiced application in the modern digital landscape. Procedure. A deeper understanding of mesh topology requires a true knowledge of its operational principles. The core of mesh topology operation lies in between data transmission process, routing algorithms, and its remarkable ability to reconfigure itself when a component fails or when a new node is introduced. What is mesh topology? In mesh topology, each device is connected to every other device on the network through a dedicated point-to-point link like this. You can see. When we say dedicated, it means that the link only carries data the two connected device only. Here, advantages of mesh topology. Faults can be identified easily. Highly privacy and security is provided. The data transmission is not affected by adding new devices. The high amount of traffic can be maintained because multiple devices can transmit the data simultaneously. It is most appropriate for little networks. It is not difficult to set up, handle, and easy out. This topology is better at taking care of a burden, and it is less exorbitant than a star topology. A good example of mesh topology in IoT can be seen in the smart home system. Thank you. Nowadays, these mesh topology systems are very useful to us. Thank you.